So in this math video, we're going to be learning about prime and composite numbers. A prime number is a number that only has two factors, the number 1 and that number itself. A composite number has more than two factors. And it's also important to know that the number 1 is actually neither prime or composite. So I've got four different examples here to explain the difference between these two terms. So first off, the number 3. So we're going to try and find all of the factors of the number 3. So to begin with, 1, we know that 1 can be multiplied by 3 to equal 3. And because that number has actually only two factors here, it's got the number 1 and the original number itself. The number 3 is actually a prime number. Okay, so the next number we're looking at here is the number 4. So the number 4 can be multiplied by 1 and 4 to equal 4. And there's also another factor here, which is 2. So 2 times 2 equals 4. But because there's one more factor than just these two, it actually makes it a composite number. Okay, so now we're going to be looking at the number 2. And the only reason I put these two other ones in is because a lot of people have a tendency to say that, oh, well, all composite numbers are even and all prime numbers are odd. But I just wanted to disprove that to you here. So the number 2 it's obviously an even number, the number 2. And we can see that 1 times 2, there's only two factors, so it's actually even. It's even and it's a prime number. And so now we're going to look at the number 15. So 15 it's an odd number. And so 1 times 15 equals 15. 2 times nothing equals 15, but 3 times 5 equals 15. 4 times nothing equals 15, so we're just going to leave it at that. So there are 4 factors of 15, which it's an odd number, and it's a composite number. Okay, so now you try by finding 5 prime and 5 composite numbers under 100. Any 5 that you choose, but remember to show your working out and justify why it is prime or composite.